When you look at these two questions, they might look different, but they're actually the same question. This is why I always say that adding and subtracting are actually the same thing. All you're doing is you're adding a negative number. Now, what is a negative number? A negative number, you can think of it as going in a different direction. For example, if you consider positive being going right, then negative would be going left. The idea here is that there's directions to lots of things. There's up and down, there's left and right, there's north and south, and that's kind of what the purpose of negative numbers is to kind of keep track of, are the numbers going up or are they going down? Now 6 minus 3 is 3, and 6 plus negative 3 is also 3. That means that a positive sign and a negative sign combine to make a negative sign. The way you can remember this is when the signs are different, you end up with a negative sign, and when the signs are the same, you end up with a positive sign. Let's try another example. We can rewrite this as 3 minus 6, and that's going to be negative 3. Now the reason why it's negative is because you can think of it as you went 3 units to the right, and then you went 6 units to the left. That means you ended up 3 units to the left of where you started. Now let's do 5 minus negative 5. That's the same thing as 5 plus 5, which equals 10. This means that a negative sign and a negative sign combine to make a positive sign. Like we said before, if the two signs are different, you're going to end up with a positive sign, and if the two signs are the same, you're going to end up with a negative sign. Now let's try multiplication. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. If you have two negative numbers, the negative signs will cancel and you'll end up with a positive answer. If you have one positive and one negative number, you'll end up with a negative answer. For homework, do the 4 blue questions on the screen now.